All right, guys, I know the wind's blowing and it's probably going to be hard to hear me, but it's been blowing for weeks and there's just not a lot I can do about it. We're going to try to get this power line buried to the pole. You know, we've been running off of temporary power for the last 3 years, and it's time to get the permanent power hooked up. So we've got our pipe. We've got our line here, rented a ditch switch. I'll get it unloaded in a minute. We have a new meter loop. This old meter loop was just a 100 amp service that was here. There was an old mobile home here when I bought this place years ago, and that's barely enough to power my barn, much less the house. So we're replacing everything. I had it scheduled for the power company to come out and make sure we weren't going to need anything else. Apparently they were here while we were going to get the ditch switch because they flagged it. So they didn't leave me a note, said I need anything else, so I'm assuming everything's good to go. So I'm going to get out here and we're going to start unrolling this wire and kind of make us a line where we're going to go. And then I guess we're going to start sliding pipe down it and get all that glued together. This is direct bury wire. You could just put this stuff straight in the ground. I don't like doing that. I want it in pipe. So with the price of everything these days, adding the pipe to it, added almost $500 for this little short run. This stuff's getting crazy, but nevertheless it had to be done. So let me get out here, get this unrolled, and kind of make us a track to run this ditch switch through. And yeah, let's get started. You know, technically, probably don't have to glue this, but not gonna hurt anything for sure.
Yeah. Well, I guess it's this part right here.
Yeah.
Which part you want doing first?
I gotta do this one too.
Okay.
Trying to beat the rain.
Yeah. It's getting pretty
It is.
cloudy up here. Man, I thought we were gonna have at least one day without any rain.
Nope. No such luck. Guys, I want to break in here for just a minute to talk about these boots that I've been wearing for the last couple of months. Really since I healed up from my surgery after Alaska. I was contacted by HISEA. I wanted to know if I wanted to try these boots. I was in a need of a new pair of boots. The other boots I've been wearing for the last couple of years, they've seen better days. And they started to leak and whatnot. So I said, sure, I'll give them a try. I have to admit, for the price point, I like these just as well as I like the other ones. And I can buy about 4 pair of these for what I paid for the other boots. We like them so much that we actually bought 3 more pair. All the girls are now wearing these boots. So I put them through their paces. I have been working on fence, dragging them through barbed wire. I mean, doing everything I can do to really put them through their paces, you know, work on them pretty hard, and no leaks. It's been raining here, you know, I guess across most of the South. It's been raining here almost daily. And so I'm still, even though we're warmer, I'm still wearing these boots just to try to keep my feet dry. So these are, honestly, these are great boots. If you need a pair of boots on your farm or your homestead, there will be a discount code below. You can click on that, get 15% off. So far, I'm very pleased. The brand is HISEA. They have boots for men, for women, for kids, different colors, different styles, that kind of thing. So yeah, if you need some boots, go check them out.
Videos or something?
Oh yeah. Yeah, if you don't want to be in it, we can edit you out.
Oh no, it ain't no problem.
Yep.
Where you going? All the way right
here. Reagan, grab that blanket, would you?
Yep.
Throw a blanket up here and we can just stack them on top of each other. Keep them scratching the walls out. Get much water, it'd be kind of tricky getting it out of the truck. Huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've learned to maneuver that thing.
Yeah. Is it just me, or does it feel like it's about twice as heavy as that?
It does. And I know it can't be because of them grids.
I don't know why it's so much heavier. That's weird. Make it?
No, no problem. Grab one, I'll grab the other one.
Yes, sir.
Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Little rain here or there, but all in all, we got our hole dug.
Got a pipe in there.
We got the pipe in, and wasn't without incident. We actually pulled up the line. The wire, the power supplying the camper was already here when I bought this place. Well, direct bury, no conduit. It's about 6 inches deep, and that's it. So we hit it. So now I've got to repair that. And yeah, then we can turn the power back on to the camper. But at least we got the pipe in the ground. We can get this backfilled, get it all covered up, and this part's finished. Now we've got to get it into the breaker box of the house. The power company is going to come out, put my new meter loop in, and then we'll put our last piece of pipe on there. So that's it for now. I'm just going to get a rake and start dragging stuff over top of this pipe. I'm trying to get this pipe covered up before the real rain gets here. Actually, we're going to make her do it. Temporary, it's going to be a pain in the butt. All right, guys, that has this little project wrapped up. I am waiting on the power company. Everything is finished here on my end. Windows, we have our windows here. One of them was a mistake. On the larger windows, they're supposed to have the grids. One of them came without. So they are gonna have to replace. They said I can go ahead and install it. They can just come back and swap out the sash later. But they're gonna get that ordered first thing Monday morning, which will be when this video comes out. They'll be ordering the new ones. But I can go ahead and try to start getting these smaller windows installed. I'm gonna need some help picking up the larger ones. But hopefully this week, or at least by this weekend, I will have the windows in, permanent power to the house, and then I can start, maybe just get ready to start working on cabinets. So, I don't know. We still have a lot of stuff going on. I'm still trying to get the fence finished to move the goats up on that 50 acres. I've got about a quarter mile of it done in the last few days, and it's, you can't really tell now, but yeah, my arms are taking a beating. So I need to get that finished, hopefully in a week or two. I don't know, we'll see. I have a lot of corner posts and H braces to build and get all that done. All the fence is there. There used to be livestock on that property, but the landowner, he worked out of town. He worked out of state a lot. And when he got ready to retire, he wanted to retire. He didn't want to have to come home, fight cattle every day. So he pulled everything off, and he just hasn't, you know, how fences do. Anyone that's owned a property, if you don't stay on your fences constantly, they'll get overgrown. So that's what happened. It doesn't take but a couple of years, and it's going to take a lot of work to get them back the way they need to be. So that's what I'm doing now, trying to get that part finished. We can move the goats. That will be one major headache out of the way. Still got to work on the garden. I've got to get a garden going, but it's been raining so much we just couldn't do anything. So that's it. I think I'm going to wrap this one up. The goats are following me around. They're hungry. Actually, they're out there on the trailer. If I don't watch out, they'll be in the back of the truck. So, hope you guys have a great week. I'm going to go feed some hungry goats, and I'll see you on the next one.